Hi everybody and welcome to this new video on Wow Money. I want to ask you a question. Do you want to make money on YouTube but you don't want to show your face? Are you wondering which niche you should choose to make the most money on this platform? Well, in today's video, I will show you how you can make a ton of money on YouTube without even making videos. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, right? You think that you need a camera and equipment to make videos in order to make money on YouTube? Well, that is not really true. I will share with you 10 YouTube niches that can make you a ton of money without showing your face or even making videos. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel, Wow Money. We post pure valuable content consistently every week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to $500 every single day, you might want to check our website wowmoney.net, where you can find more details and information about how you can make money online and how you can create passive income streams on the internet. Okay, so niche idea number 10 is the quiz niche. You might have seen videos like this on the internet, or you might have seen quizzes like this on websites like BuzzFeed. Here's an example channel doing this called 1 Million Tests with almost 700,000 subscribers. And as you can see, they do videos like what type of weddings will you have? Do you have a male or a female brain? Etc. Just videos like this that can ask you a bunch of questions, and then at the end, depending on your answers, it will reveal what you are. And there's a ton of channels doing this. Let's take a look at the Social Blade statistics for this channel. They're getting 2 million views a month and making up to almost $10,000 every single month. Here's another channel right here called Mr. Test with almost 600,000 subscribers. Let's check their Social Blade statistics. They're getting almost 1 million views a month and making almost $4,000 every single month. And they just do videos like how old will you be when you have your first child, how many people secretly love you, etc. Fun quizzes like this, you can just answer the questions and it will tell you something about yourself. And this kind of videos are getting a lot of views on YouTube. Here's another channel called BuzzMoy with over 900,000 subscribers, about to hit 1 million subscribers very soon. And if you take a look at their Social Blade statistics, they're getting almost 2 million views a month on their channel and almost $7,000 every month from ads alone. Let's move on to niche idea number 9, which is the luxury financial niche. Here's an example channel called Mr. Luxury, almost 500,000 subscribers. And what's really interesting is just how quick that this channel grew as a new channel. This channel has been recently created and still they have been able to get almost 500,000 subscribers. And if you take a look at their Social Blade statistics, as you can see, they're getting over 5 million views a month and as much as $20,000 every single month. Here's another channel called Alex.com with over 3 million subscribers. And they do these same type of videos like 15 things you didn't know about Instagram and TikTok influencers. And these videos can get a ton of views. Taking a look at their Social Blade statistics, this channel gets 6 million views a month and they are making up to $25,000 every month. Niche idea number 8 is the meditation niche. This might seem like a very weird niche, but think about it. Have you ever listened to meditation on YouTube? Or looked up soothing sounds to help you fall asleep or anything like that? Probably, right? There's millions of people online who do this every day. And here's an example channel that produces these type of videos. And it's a guy named Michael Seeley with over 1.3 million subscribers. And as you can see here, he just makes videos like guided meditation, etc. Taking a look at the social statistics of Michael Seeley, he's getting 4 million views every month, and he's not the only one producing videos like that. Here's another channel called Soothing Relaxation with over 6 million subscribers, and they produce videos exactly the same as Michael Seeley's. If you have more money than time, then you can always hire someone on Fiverr.com to make meditation videos for you. But if you have more time than money, then you can actually just use your cell phone to record the meditation yourself. Niche idea number 7 is the technology niche. The technology niche is huge on YouTube, and there's a ton of huge channels on this niche. I'm going to show you one of them called Tech Zone, and as you can see, Tech Zone got 2.8 million subscribers, and they do videos like incredible cars and inventions of the next generation. Checking their Social Blade statistics right here, this channel is getting 14 million views a month, and as much as $58,000 every single month from ads alone. And according to that, we would probably classify the technology niche as high CPM, meaning that there's a lot of advertisers who want to advertise on technology videos. I mean, think of how many phone companies there are and how huge their advertising budget is. And because of that, you could potentially make a lot more money in a niche like this than in other niches. Niche idea number 6 is the animal niche. An example channel is called Animal Facts with over 150,000 subscribers. And they do videos like top easiest small dogs to train, just a voiceover on top of the video, and using other people's clips, and you can also get clips to use within your videos from places like pixabay.com or pixels.com for completely free and royalty free. And you can use these within your videos without having to worry about copyrights or anything like that. Taking a look at the Social Blade statistics of this channel, they're getting over 700,000 views a month on their channel. Another really great opportunity for channels in the animal niche is to actually promote relevant products from places like ClickBank or Digistore24. You could promote these channels, just put the link on the description and they will make you a lot more money. It is called affiliate marketing, and if you add your affiliate marketing revenues to your YouTube ad revenue, you will get a lot more money. YouTube ad revenue is great, but you can actually make a lot more doing things like affiliate marketing or even selling your own products on your YouTube channel. Now, affiliate marketing is great because you don't actually have to produce a product. You just put a link on your channel and you will get money from it. Niche idea number 5 is the scary story niche. I bet you didn't know that scary stories on YouTube can actually make you a lot of money. Now here's a channel called Mr. Nightmare with over 5 million subscribers. If you go to his most popular uploads, they're literally just pictures and videos with voiceovers talking about scary stories. Now these videos don't require you to show your face or anything like that, which is very cool. Niche idea number 4 is the top 10 niche. Now I'm sure you've seen videos like this, just producing videos like top 10 videos or top 5 videos and stuff like this. And here's a great example channel. It's called Top 5 Best with over 5 million subscribers on this channel. And as you can see, they just upload videos like top 10 terrifying animals found on rivers, for example. And if you take a look at the Social Blade statistics right here, this channel is getting 19 million views per month and making up to $77,000 every single month, which is absolutely insane. Niche idea number 3 is the health niche. Here's a channel in the health niche called Natural Cures with over 3 million subscribers, and they just produce videos using stock footage and a voiceover. Very simple and easy to make. And these videos get a lot of views. And again, you can get completely free pictures and videos to use within your videos from pixabay.com or pixel.com. And you don't have to worry about attribution or anything like that. Niche idea number 2 is the psychology niche. You can actually make money on YouTube in the psychology niche, and there's a ton of huge channels doing it. Here's an example channel called Brainy Doze with over 1 million subscribers, and some of their videos get a lot of views. And if we take a look at their Social Blade statistics, this channel is getting almost 5 million views a month and making up to almost $20,000 every month from ads alone. Niche idea number 1 is the life hack niche. You can make money recording yourself doing life hacks, never even having to show your face. You can simply angle a camera up above you and just perform different life hacks with literally just showing your hands. You can record yourself doing life hacks without even showing your face, or you can also get someone else to produce the videos for you, which is even better. Here's an example channel doing this called 5 Minutes Craft. As you can see, they have over 69 million subscribers on their channel. And if we take a look at their Social Blade statistics, they're getting over 161 million views a month and almost $8 million a year. This is absolutely insane. They're obviously killing it on YouTube, as you can see. Now, as I said, you can make all of these videos from scratch using stock footage from Pixabay or Pixels.com, or just hire someone on Fiverr.com for as little as $5 to make the videos for you. And you can start generating revenues from YouTube from now. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We help you make money online and quit your 9-to-5 job and make a full-time income from home. Also, check our website wowmoney.net. It's in the description box. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on the next video.